If you're considering Membership Plus for your church management needs, here are 12 things you should know before making the purchase. While it's a solid option, you'll want to compare it to other solutions before deciding. Let's dive in. First, Membership Plus is known for being user-friendly. The interface is clean, and it's relatively easy to set up, especially for those without technical experience. However, when compared to other software, some competitors like Breeze or ChurchTrack have a more intuitive dashboard and greater customization options right out of the box. Next thing, Membership Plus focuses heavily on member tracking. It allows you to store detailed member profiles, including attendance and giving history. But if you're looking for a software that also offers integrated communication tools like text messaging or email campaigns, you may find Membership Plus a bit lacking. Competitors like Planning Center offer this as part of their package. The third thing to know is that it's a desktop-based solution. Unlike cloud-based alternatives such as Church Community Builder, which can be accessed from any device, Membership Plus requires you to install it on a specific computer. This could be a deal breaker if you need mobile or remote access for your team. Moving on, the fourth thing to note is its reporting capabilities. Membership Plus offers basic reporting features, but they're not as advanced as what you get with software like Realm or ChurchSuite. If detailed, customizable reports are important to you, you might want to look into those options. Next, Membership Plus doesn't have an integrated online giving system. For churches that rely heavily on digital giving, this can be a problem. With alternatives like Tithe.li or Planning Center, you get seamless integration for online donations, which makes tracking giving much easier. The sixth thing is pricing. Membership Plus offers a one-time purchase, which can be appealing to some churches. However, the upfront cost can be steep for smaller churches. On the other hand, subscription-based services like Breeze or ChurchTrack may seem more affordable on the surface, but you should calculate the total cost over time before deciding. The seventh thing to consider is the support. Membership Plus has a strong customer support team, but it's not 24/7. If you're used to immediate help from competitors like Planning Center, which offers extensive online resources and customer service, Membership Plus might not meet your needs in an urgent situation. The eighth thing is that Membership Plus lacks integrated event management. If you need a system that allows easy scheduling and RSVP tracking for events, you may find this feature essential. While Membership Plus does allow you to track events, it's not as robust or as integrated as in software like Planning Center or Church Community Builder. The ninth point is that Membership Plus provides basic accounting features. However, if you need more advanced financial tools, competitors like ChurchTrack or QuickBooks integration with ChurchSuite might be more appealing. Now, the 10th thing is scalability. Membership Plus works well for small to medium-sized churches, but if you plan on growing quickly or need something for a larger congregation, you might hit limitations. For churches that anticipate expansion, services like Realm or Breeze offer better scalability options. The 11th thing is data migration. Membership Plus makes it easy to import data from other programs, but you may encounter some challenges if you're moving from a more complex system. Other options like ChurchTrack or Planning Center are known for smoother transitions and better data handling. The 12th and final thing to keep in mind is that Membership Plus doesn't offer as many integrations with third-party apps. If your church uses specialized tools for communication or outreach, you might find it limiting. Competitors like Planning Center or Breeze offer a broader range of app integrations that can streamline your operations. While Membership Plus is a solid choice for many churches, especially those looking for a straightforward, one-time purchase solution, it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a more robust, flexible option with more features and integrations, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.